Hello everyone, here we are on a Monday, the 9th of September 2019. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're flying around the housing project on Ridge Avenue. There's some activity going on. I just thought I'd post another video today and keep everybody updated as to what's happening. I know I just posted one the other day, but we had a decent day for weather today. It was overcast and just a light breeze blowing. A good day for flying the drone. So here we are. You can watch it for what it's worth. Like I say, there's activity going on. So there'll be a flag in the upper right hand corner. You'll be able to go back and compare it against yesterday's or any other day. So have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.